down. Put the window down. Put the window down. Put the window down. Put the window down. Put both of your hands out the window right now. Put both of your hands out the window. I got command.
I don't think this is the right car. That's not the right car. This is the wrong car. CN 794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
CN.
But the plate don't match.
The last 4 or 5 are wrong.
It's the wrong plate.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. AZ Unfiltered, America's sweetheart. Got a video coming to you out of Woodridge, Illinois. The Woodridge Police Department pulled over a man, almost canceled Christmas on this guy for doing nothing more than just driving home. They had a call. They had a license plate number. They had a description of a vehicle. The vehicle matched. The license plate did not, but yet they pulled this guy over and threatened to shoot him in the head. So without further ado, here's that video for you, America's sweetheart, AZ Unfiltered.
I got you. You look at me and nobody else. You do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover?
Got cover. You got it?
Away from me. Face away from me. Walk back to me. Real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands on your back right now. This is weapon. I just made it.
Tom, come up here.
You guys gotta be down on that. We're just playing everything in the middle. We're going to safe.
Charlie Nora, 49263. Hey, Tom, this... I don't think this is the right car. That's not the right car. This is the wrong car.
CN
794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
CN.
But the plate don't match.
The last 4 or 5 are wrong.
It's the wrong plate.
Well, we got tucked in, about to fucking bring it, huh?
Yep.
Window down! Put the 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 window down! Put both of your hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window! I got commands.
Go ahead.
You, with an outside hand, reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go. There you go. Come on out.
I gotta put the car in park.
Put it in park. Put it in park. Real slow. Everything real slow.
I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that.
All right, real slow.
Y'all got the
Hold on.
wrong
Slow
guy.
down. Slow down. Somebody shut off that siren. Left hand, real slow across your body. Undo your seatbelt. I got you. You look at me, nobody else. You do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover?
Got cover. I got
Face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me, real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands behind your back right now.
Oh, for what, man? I don't have any weapons. I just came from Costco, dude.
All right, do not move. Do not move. 61 to 10.
You guys gotta be
Down, my man. We're going to explain everything in a minute, but we're going to do it safe.
You want to put him in my car?
Yes, please.
Have a seat.
Let's bring him back to PD. Bring him to one of our interview rooms.
I got you.
Pat, can you follow him? Gentlemen, not a word with him. Don't explain what's going on. Don't ask him no questions. Good?
Got you.
Copy.
All right, yeah.
No, interview room. Put him by my office.
All right. Sam 20. We're out to the PD 1 mil 95, starting mileage 106972.
Take him out. Wrong car. Take him out. Wrong car.
Hop on, man. Place the car.
Here's the deal. We're taking you out of handcuffs. We're getting you going. Okay, I'm going to give you some information on who I am. We're going to talk about what's going on. Okay, but I want to take you out of these handcuffs first. Oswego PD had a shooting. Car plates. The car is the same as yours. Plates match with. Wait, hold on.
No.
Hold on.
No.
Look at me.
No.
Plates match. 2 of them are off. All right. That's why you're placed in handcuffs. We thought you were the guy.
No,
all right.
sir.
You're not. I understand that. All right. Hey, listen. Look at me. I f*** this up.
Okay.
Understand that? I'm gonna give you my card. This is on me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely on me. Let's clear these roads out.
Y'all threatening to shoot me in the head and shit. Don't move. Put your hands up. Like,
You're right.
This is ridiculous.
Okay. Well, listen.
This is ridiculous. I've been out here for 15 years and never have I once in my life. My man, nothing,
But
dude.
you have to look at it.
My man, nothing, dude. That shit.
He's got every right to.
Unacceptable.
You are absolutely
Especially you, Harvey. Especially you, bro.
Okay. All right.
That is